I am Sarah Clinton. I am a student here at the Tech Center. I go for the Robotics and Automation program. Something that drew me to the Career Center was a lot of my friends in high school joined, and they were able to, but since I was out of the county, I wasn't able to. So I became aware of this later on, became a part of the adult ed program, and I really just want to further my career with it. I knew the Career Center was the right choice for me. I've been here for about almost a year, and I already have an internship position with a company nearby. I feel very confident in my skills, being very hands-on, learning a lot more than I did previously in a college setting, where it was a lot of books, a lot of you go to class, no one really checks up on you, but the hands-on really does help. Definitely had some hesitations going into a pretty much male-dominated field, especially out here where it's a lot of men working the field. You don't see a lot of women, but the classmates have been very helpful. There's some young, there's some older men, it's all men, but it's definitely somewhere where a girl can achieve, can push her career forward. Anybody can do it. The instruction is very helpful. Coming to the Career Center, I feel like it definitely expanded my career choices. Coming from a college setting, felt like it was very narrow, very like you have this path to go and not a whole lot else to it. But here you can do electricity, you can go automation, you could go PLC. There's a lot of different things within one program that you can explore and get to know. And that's helped me kind of figure out the career path that I wanted to go. Something that I did struggle with coming into this program was being outspoken. A lot of times when you have a male dominant presence around you, you don't really want to speak up if you're struggling with something, but the teachers and the instructors actually reach out to you and help you a lot. Whether you are a girl, whether you're a boy, old or young, it's very helpful. I also didn't know how to use hand tools, so that was a new thing that I figured out learning here, but it's definitely possible. Some advice I would say coming to the Career Center is have a plan. Don't be afraid to reach out and ask those difficult questions when it comes to funding, when it comes to scholarships, money, what you want to do in the future, and past the Career Center. There's resources here to help you. Bruce Steiner definitely helped me figure out what I wanted to do and what kind of path I wanted to take coming into the Career Center. There are so many different options here, and they're always adding more. So always look into what could be.